How to cancel Bumble Boost and get a refund. To cancel Bumble Boost, you need to first thing first open your Bumble app onto your device. After you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. After you're logged into your account, what you need is here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select. So after you're logged into your account, what here you need to do is you just want to tap open the profile initials at the top right corner of the screen. So here you just want to make sure to tap the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. There you want to go to the gear icon from the top right corner of the screen, right? As you go to the gear icon, here you will be able to see all these options, and right in between you'll also be able to see manage your subscriptions. So what here you need to do is basically you want to go to the manage your subscriptions section. To cancel and for refund, user must generally request them through the App Store or Google Pay or directly by Bumble Support. So what you need is after you've done that, you just want to open your respective App Store and tap the profile initials at the top right, go to payment and subscriptions and select subscription, and here you just want to make sure to cancel, and as for the refund you have to contact Bumble Support, and that is how you're supposed to cancel Bumble Boost and get a refund. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.